When you click on Send, the case will be uploaded to the Communicate portal. You will see a short message when the case has been sent successfully. The exact time of sending will be shown. Please note that it can take up to 30 minutes until the case is showing up in the unique inbox of Central Production. Please also take note that the time starts to count upon case acceptance and not when the case is sent or opened by the case manager. If any information is missing or the scan is not of the requested quality, the case manager might ask you to send additional information before he can accept and start designing. Once the case is sent to Communicate, we strongly recommend attaching 1 or 2 photos with Vita-Shade Referenced color measuring to the case. This will help to match the tooth colors and increase the shade quality. The easiest way to attach a photo to your case in Communicate is to open the 3Shape Communicate mobile app on your mobile phone or iPad. There, the latest case will show up first. Click on the pencil icon below and take or add the 1 or 2 photos directly in the mobile app. Add your comments and send the photos. They will directly show up as the latest case update in the 3Shape Communicate software. Also, the case manager will see the photos and your comments a few minutes later in his case inbox.